Anope mi mo bibia akwaba shonko ede eba tuma GHS webusuafo ebre ewi edu se ensema hodo abeto dwa no mede ebesomo ewo fidi eso na yevra ensem no emu as part of the 61st birthday celebration. Honorable Kennedy Japan I organize a youth conference or UPSA na ebusuafo youth conference no aseno eno de ensema hodo bi aye na kuma so ade hia no pa ede etu dwa na ebizafo nsema hudo okeka ye no na say wo hye emebu no mu ehia ye awo youth conference na se na enkran se ebe ya wo momo ni emre edumaden se na fitete no aka o edumaden ebuapo edumaden anu no krampo no anam so amono ne de wa be ye odefo nti emebu na ne wo mo ewo school mu sua de ba no wo momo de aso mama edumaden aye wo mo eni suade hu na wo mo de mo be hye edumaden mu aye na ebiem so odina so de to mo fo se womu ye mojumadin ni mu no womu hwe se asore ko so no womu mfo mu brania ma asore ko na wode ye fato ho se hwe se mebu no from Monday to Sunday na so ewo eye na woche ba ku biem no womu timi de ko asore de ye mpai broadcast out break ni de keka ho nia na so wono honorable daba ko pe betimi aye afinimu nia anabusu ba ku mu ba ko na yeso akobra so dem na so na yeso no ene de front seat ade we say so for no eped wo sika wenya nte no nti ene wotu omo se wonfa womo enhye dwumaden su more than say womo edo omo eto eye asofo ni womo nkyereke ni abeyi a womo etutu dan paya womo ewbo no na mpokura mpo no se ade aka beye ewo wiasima na se beyfo wo ha ekono honorable so no otumi dwa na numu sifa no ke eden eno otumi tina seche edi ni sika ni agi nani etukwan kwaba de bia atese sebre wodato etin koma wodato enye sika ntina se beye eni be bia eno ne futu a honorable ade ema emmebu ne bitofo yenkotie so no wode som womo na yeba nsem no yede yesi.
All of you that go to church 24/7, I go once a year when I'm invited. When I go there, I'll be given the best seat because I've worked hard. And that day, all the 365 days collection you've given to the church, I can give 2 times more than that. And therefore, I'll be giving the best place. So why can't you be one of those guys who can also go there and give the best offering? You can only do that when you work hard. So please, let's take our destiny into our own hands. There is no witch anywhere. Before ni baby, when you fail in life, then you attribute it to your grandmother. You fail in life, you attribute it to your father. When you were smoking jar, yeah, man. Yeah, today, morning chore, this. Was your grandmother there? Was he there? When you were stealing from your boss and you got fired, was your grandmother there? So please, I don't believe in those things. No witches anywhere. And come God, the way I run my mouth, if indeed there's witches that you claim to be, where will I be? No. You just have to take your destiny into your own hands. Challenge yourself. I'm doing what I'm doing today. I went to 37 Military Hospital and I said, I'm going to build ultra-modern cardiothoracic center for Ghana. I was yearning to do this because we have to prove to Ghanaians and ourselves that we can make it without a white man. Let's challenge ourselves that we can do it. I went there, the architect brought a design and he said 45 bedroom. How much? $2 million. I started laughing. Said, that's all. Kolebu, what is the size of the cardiothoracic center there? He said 30 beds. Said, double it. Or give me 2.5 size of that. So today I cut a sword for 80 beds. I've given them a deposit. And I have 1 year to pay $3 million to finish the project with the equipment. And trust me, I'm going to do it, and I'll do it. Doctors they crack their brains, work steady, and they don't pay them well. They wanted just $11,000 to go for training for 6 months to come and man this facility. And they don't have 11,000. For 1 year, 7 doctors can afford $11,000 each. Our calculators, 11,000 times 7 is 77. I said, I'll give you 100,000. Put the rest for allowance. I got this inspiration from a family. When my father was sick and admitted at St. Barnabas Hospital in New Jersey, whilst he was in the room, I was reading what is on the board, and the story goes like a couple, husband and wife, built the whole hospital. Although they've expanded it, they built the whole hospital for even me, or I, the African, has benefited from there. So why can't I do same for my country? I'm doing this for my country. No politics. NDC, MPP, CPP, we are all bogus. We are all bogus. We are polarizing the country, and it's about time that we speak and criticize ourselves and make sure we change the destiny of the youth of this country. I live for you. So live for your brother too. That's the only way we can change this, the destiny of this country. Talking plenty, criticizing good things being done in this country, you get your opponent to turn it around and destroy the good intention of whatever you want to do. That must stop and move this country. I'm setting the pace and challenge for you, the youth, that if that poor boy from Asin Dompim has done it, you can do it better. If that poor boy who could not speak English, anytime you raise your hand, Anu Blofu Cheme, today, I raised $3 million at ease. A PK seller and a graduate like you will do far better than me. So you should have hope. You should have hope that the future will be bright. You are not going to be like this for the rest of your life. If you work hard, you don't cheat people. I tell the guys all the time that, look, even when you are in the mood of having sex with your wife, a call will come. Can I Japan? Your money is ready. I say, honey, you got away, baby. I got to take that money. When I come back, fresh mind, good heart, I give you good sex. So you have to marry your job. That is what I mean. Marry your job. And your wife and family will be happy. And some of you will tell, oh, okay, my wife and the family are home. I have to go home. When there's money to be made, Jimmy. Just pick a phone. Honey, you know what? I got some deal on the table here. Let me finish before. I'm going to be late for an hour or two. Finish the deal. You go home. Money is on the table. When money is on the table, I've seen a nice lady who had come to complain to me that she is getting divorced. Why? Said, the husband cannot take care of the family. I say, wow, sky moja ampao. Oh, Drane Kacho, so money is not anything. When I catch you, read Ecclesiastes 10:19. It says, food is for laughter, wine is for merrymaking, and money answers it all. When you do that, You work hard, you make the money, you go to church on Sunday, you also give some to God. Don't get me wrong. I'm not against worshiping. No. Any man who says there's no God, to me, you are a fool. If you want to know God, just sleep. When you are tired and you sleep, ask yourself, when you were asleep, where were you? That body that is talking to everybody here, I go to bed and I'm nobody. That alone tells me there's a superior being. The superior being that I don't know is God, whatever you call it. So I believe in God. But I don't want to be over-reliant on God for everything. That is the problem I have in this country. We are over-reliant on God for everything. The white man brought this Christianity. Go to Germany and check how many people go to church. Go to England, check. Go to USA, check. And we are always in the church. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, my house in Tema. Monday I'll see.
Ebusiafo na honorable enono na me kam say dwumako so ya say my dear dwumedi abramo wo chat ye herbal center wo chat ye say na wo yare no esifa tie bia no enha wo biem ensu enwenwe ente say enwen say da be na wo be wuda bi enkwaye de wudi nchina ye enti bomoden a say ye kranko yare wonam ni yare wonam ni pedwemu yare anambo kwapo no hu mafa hu feel good e wo hu kwapa obetimi de abeto wo mo e wo maso ye dan so my anase tamale anase wa for mo number na etwegu e wase ho no from na from so a o meso mo emwa a wo hia na won so bibia akoso wano e de amana ensem honorable e de egu amanfo bi e wadwen bi said abi honorable e wo mu se ne kasa emu no Ghana for yetie efuto no ma na adwumaden de ye na so se wo de hye mabunu kran se wo inform adwen nyanto adwumaden so no enye ne papa mu a that the Bible cry e ka se Yakobo ene oshira ma nipa yodefo adwumaden enfe bi encounter adwumaden de ye se nipa be adwumaden sa se adwumaden bi ase fatana kechia but se wo ka se nuntino wo mu ntwem mfi asofo ho anaso mo nkwa asore no wo no kakra na amanfo hu ni se dabi honorable yakwa said oye antichrist bi asede won pe asore esem asede asore ye nebufu asore ye nehin badi nyam no ka ho bi ene shepi nipa ema nipa etimi ekọ nkadie no ho nkwa de honorable sababiem no meka ni hie na intebusafo adwen a aba nkofo ekeka fa ne nsem no ho ena mede asomo wo a wo hwe ye waje chefa ensem yi ho etesen momodi ane fasome ewe comment section ho na bi must no share video on all the social media platforms. Follow Tuma GH on Instagram, Twitter so at Tuma GH _ Facebook so Tuma GH. Musum phone na amu biswa eni enenum de semi ebe so mo nyame e atuma ebe say di share bi makram nya bye.